Welcome this video plants in long outdoor pouch. A comprehensive gas introducing plants in long outdoor pouch is an excellent way to enhance your gardening patio or enters away with beautiful flowers, lush gardening, or even eligible plants, whether you want to create a vibrant full display growing hub for cook or eligible a maximized gardening long pouch provide versatile and fixable. This gas cover everything you need to know about plants in long outdoor pouch. In Cleburne, select the right pouch choose for the best solve popular plants cover and cover decoration idea. Choose the right pouch. The select choose of pouch play a chosen role in the success of your plants. Material plants and stick pouch lightweight and retained mouse well but may now not provide the best insult metal pouch. Select the style but can hard up quick in double sunlight. Wood plants natural look and but requested main entrance to provide road created a stone pot double and excellent at main entrance mouth but very hard. Your pouch have double hold water from pool Add the button and quick root. If a pouch, you can double heart or use and layout of growing at the button. Size and shape. Long pouch, retrain pouch long and often more, but root development. Consider the plants growing deep pouch for deep root plants and showing pouch or switch plants. Select the right sort. Solar quick is a key functional in successful constrained gardening. Here are some important consider. Pots mix versus gardening salt. Use high quality pouch mix rather than gardening salt as its bamboo gardening salt trend to be during load and complex and poor developing in pouch. Add salt advertising. Compost. Add natural and enhance solar fiber. Choose the right plants. Select the right plants depend on your climate, sunlight available and personally perfect flower plants. Those in long pouch convenient different color and blend time for constrained interior. Eligible plants hub like roots and then may do well in constrained vegetable light, tomato pots and can trend with processed care. Smart feature trend as a define and flag are great for long pouch. Plants technology. Process plants technology with help your plants layout for development. piece along of gardening broking. Add the button on Inspire. Use a coffee fix. A much screen over the rain hub to provide solution lot. Thank you for watching this video.